Are you struggling to find the screenshot option in Loom? Learn how to capture any screen region in under 30 seconds. We'll open the Loom extension, click Capture, choose a custom area, crop it, and press Enter to save. First, make sure to click the Loom extension in your browser, and you'll see the Capture option appear. Then, go ahead and click on Capture to start the process. Now, you'll want to click on Custom Area to choose exactly what part of your screen to record. After that, click on Select Area so you can define that region manually. Once you're there, start cropping by dragging your mouse to set the boundaries. You'll form a rectangular shape that highlights the area you want to include. When you're happy with it, just press Enter to save the selection. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.